In industrial manufacturing environments, particularly within large-scale stone processing facilities, workplace safety risks are ever present if strict operating protocols are not followed. This footage captures two workers attempting to move and secure a massive stone slab onto a machine bed. Due to a lack of coordination and positioning within a dangerous blind spot, while the machinery was active, an unexpected shift occurred. The heavy slab lost its balance and collapsed, trapping a worker between the massive weight and the equipment. This incident serves as a powerful reminder of the critical importance of safety. Employees must always maintain a safe distance from heavy loads and avoid standing near unstable materials. Facilities must prioritize inspections and rigorous training. A single moment of distraction can lead to consequences impacting one's health and livelihood. In industrial manufacturing, strict adherence to safety protocols is essential for protecting yourself and your colleagues. This footage captures a critical moment where an operator's loose clothing becomes entangled in the rotating spindle of active machinery. Within seconds, the powerful mechanical force tears the fabric, narrowly avoiding direct physical contact with the worker's body. Fortunately, due to quick reflexes and the immediate intervention of a colleague who cut the power, a severe incident was prevented. This event serves as a vital reminder regarding the importance of proper attire. Clothing must be well fitted with no loose fabric when working near rotating equipment. Additionally, personnel must maintain high situational awareness and never place limbs near moving parts. Facilities should prioritize the installation of guards to prevent accidents. In industrial settings, maintaining focus and strictly following safety protocols is vital for protecting yourself and your team. These clips highlight critical hazards when working near high-power machinery and transport equipment. In one instance, a worker's loose clothing becomes caught in a rotating machine spindle. Within seconds, the mechanical force tears the fabric and nearly causes a direct physical strike to the individual. Another scenario illustrates the dangers of being in a forklift's blind spot while it carries a large load, leading to an unexpected collision because the operator's line of sight was obstructed. Personnel must always wear well-fitted safety attire and avoid loose clothing or accessories when operating machinery with moving parts. In areas with active vehicle traffic, both operators and pedestrians must remain vigilant and stay clear of blind spots to ensure a safe, productive environment. This footage highlights a serious industrial incident at an active construction site, serving as a vital reminder of heavy machinery safety. During routine operations, an excavator bucket struck a nearby worker due to a lack of coordination, knocking them into a hazardous path before teammates stepped in to assist. To minimize risks, all personnel must adhere to strict safety protocols. It is essential to establish safety perimeters, staying at least twice the distance of the machine's reach. Clear communication through radios or hand signals is mandatory, ensuring the area is empty before equipment moves. Furthermore, workers must wear high-visibility gear to be seen in blind spots and utilize designated spotters to monitor the environment in real time. Workplace safety is the ultimate protection for everyone on site. This footage captures a critical incident in a manufacturing facility where a worker became caught in a rotating shaft due to a lapse in situational awareness. The event unfolded rapidly, but co-workers responded immediately by triggering the emergency stop and assisting the individual. Workplace incidents are a constant risk when vigilance wavers, so teams must prioritize strict PPE protocols by avoiding loose clothing or jewelry. Maintaining situational awareness and a safe distance from rotating equipment is essential. Furthermore, routine inspections must ensure that emergency stops and machine guards are fully functional. All personnel should be trained in lockout, tag-out procedures, and emergency response. Safety is a collective responsibility. Staying alert prevents life-changing accidents. Always prioritize caution to ensure every worker returns home safely. The danger of blind spots serves as a critical safety reminder for construction sites everywhere. This footage captures a severe workplace incident where a ground worker was positioned too close to the rear of a dump truck during unloading operations. Due to being in the driver's blind spot and a mutual lack of situational awareness, the individual was struck by the heavy truck bed as it lowered. This high-impact collision proves that even a momentary lapse in focus can lead to life-altering consequences. To prevent such incidents, ground workers must never stand or work within the operating zone or no zones of heavy machinery. Operators should perform 360-degree checks or use a designated spotter before moving. Strict safety protocols, high-vis gear, and barriers are essential for safety. The industrial safety alert regarding the hazards of rotating machinery serves as a vital reminder of workplace dangers. This footage documents a serious incident at a manufacturing facility involving high-speed equipment where a worker inadvertently stood too close to a large winding machine. In an instant, the individual became entangled in the rotating line and was pulled into the machine's rotation by powerful centrifugal force, resulting in a severe physical impact. To prevent such accidents, ground workers must maintain a safe clearance and never stand within the operating radius of moving parts. Proper work attire is equally essential, as loose clothing or straps can easily be caught by rotating shafts. Facilities must also implement machine guarding, such as physical barriers and motion sensors, while employees maintain high situational awareness to avoid preventable accidents. The excavator safety alert, highlighting terrain stability and center of gravity, serves as a vital lesson for all operators. This footage captures a serious workplace safety incident where a mini excavator, operating near a deep trench, tipped over due to unstable ground and an overextended bucket. Because the machine lost its balance, it fell completely into the pit, though the operator fortunately escaped direct impact. This serves as a critical reminder to evaluate terrain durability before positioning heavy machinery. To prevent such accidents, always conduct a site survey to inspect soil structure for potential subsidence near edges. Operators must maintain the machine's center of gravity by respecting reach limits and avoiding overextension. Additionally, establishing a safe setback distance from the excavation edge and maintaining high situational awareness are essential protocols to ensure everyone's safety on site. The incident occurred while an operator was using a table saw to cut a large wooden panel, where a lack of proper technique and safety equipment caused a dangerous kickback. The wood was seized by the blade and propelled backward, throwing the worker and causing a serious industrial injury. This highlights the hazards of uncontrolled feed force and alignment. To ensure safety, a riving knife must be used to prevent wood from pinching the blade. Operators should always use a push stick rather than bare hands to maintain a safe distance and stand to the side of the blade's path. Additionally, wearing safety glasses and fitted clothing while avoiding loose gloves is essential to prevent being caught in rotating machinery. Workshop safety requires understanding equipment, mechanics, and adhering to protective regulations. This video serves as a powerful and stark reminder of why workplace safety protocols are non-negotiable. It captures a dangerous DIY setup where a man positions the base of his ladder on top of a wheeled scaffolding unit rather than on solid, stable ground. As he climbs to reach the upper wall, the center of gravity shifts, causing the scaffolding to roll away and leading to a total structural collapse. The man is thrown from a significant height, crashing to the ground amidst the falling equipment. This incident highlights critical safety lessons. Never improvise by stacking ladders on unstable or wheeled objects. Always ensure the base is on a level surface. And never work at heights without proper support or a spotter. Taking shortcuts is never worth the risk of a life-altering accident.